Custom magnetic charging interfaces for tablet charging cabinets with 4, 8, or 12 slots. Wireless chargers and portable power stations for tablets, PDAs, and more. Supports remote locking, unlocking, and advanced remote management. Input up to 12 volts 5A DC or power supply with an output power of 36 watts. Features fast charging, wireless charging, and magnetic pole pin connections. Network connectivity, integrated Wi-Fi, 4G, and Core 4.5 to meet various needs. Materials, ABS plastic or metal, customizable case materials based on demand. Safety, overcharge protection included for device security. Supports remote locking, unlocking, with server development for customer control and management. Custom bulk chargers, wall chargers for tablets,